Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back for all my subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back here on this channel. So in this video I would like to share with you about how is the cruise ship laundry facility for crew. For you who wants to work on the cruise ship, maybe you're wondering how the crew member doing their laundry on board a cruise ship and how many laundry rooms that we have on board the cruise ship. Is over 1,000 crew member that we have here, and also how busy that's gonna be when you're doing your laundry here. So I have my daily uniform that I wear every day. I have my daily clothes. I have undergarments, pillowcase, blankets, bed linens, towels. All of those items we need to wash it properly, so to maintain ourselves clean and hygienic, of course, right? And then how crew member do wash all of those items that I mentioned earlier here on board a cruise ship. So here let me show you one of the example how is the crew laundry looks like on board the cruise ship here. So you can wash all your laundry here anytime, and that's free of charge. So it's free to use for the crew member, and also they're giving a free detergent and also free softener that they can take anytime to wash their laundry. And if you have your own favorite soap, detergent or softener that you want to bring from home, please do so, because here you're not going to have much selection of detergent. All your clothes can be washed here in the laundry room, but for bed linens and towels is not allowed to wash here on this machine. So all towels, linens need to go down to main laundry with a bigger machine to process all of those items. And also shoes is not allowed to that machine as well, because when you put shoes inside the machine will be kaput. And all that linens that you have for your bed and towels and blanket, you just need to drop it down to the main laundry and exchange all of those with the fresh one, and then you just bring it back to your cabin and set up on your bed. So that is very simple. So for those changing need to be done in weekly basis. So every week all crew members need to change their bed linen. Crew members are working with different timing, different schedule, day, night, split shift. On certain time, the crew laundry will be very busy because most of the crew members, like the biggest department that we have on board the cruise ship, which is the restaurant service or F&B service and housekeeping. So that is two biggest department on board the cruise ship. So they have certain timing to work as per their schedule, and when they finish, everybody will finish at the same time. So they will occupying the crew mess, they occupying the crew bar, they occupying the gym, and also the laundry as well. So when that timing happen, and there's gonna be a long line when you're doing your laundry. Okay, so how you do your laundry here, right? It's very simple. Same if you have a washing machine back home, is the same process. If you have drying machine in the in your house, is the same process as well. Start with the washing machine. Just put your laundry inside the machine. Select the washing mode and water temperature. Then press start button. Very simple, right? The challenges is when it's busy time, you need to wait for the machine to be available to use because you are in line. Or you're gonna find a machine which is already stopped working, the washing is already done. When you open it, still have clothes inside, and the owner of that item is not around. So that's gonna give you an option to remove that clothes and put inside the dryer to save your time. So that mostly crew member did when they found the machine without the owner. So they just grab that clothes and put inside the dryer and then leave a note on the machine that the item was moved to dryer number 1, 2, 3 or. So the cycling time for the washing is around 35 minutes. So if you put your clothes and you want to leave the area because you're going to be crowded, so you just don't forget to put the timing or alarm for 35 minutes or before 35 minutes. You make sure you're coming back to remove your clothes from the washing machine. If not, if you're late and somebody else will remove your clothes and put it in the dryer, yes, good if they leave the note. If not, then you need to open every dryer to find your clothes. After the washing done, then you move to the dryer, of course, right? You put inside the drying machine and then you select the drying mode and then the timing. So some machine they have a timing selection, so from 30 minutes and then 60 minutes, it depends on you. So I always choose the longest one, 60 minutes, and then I timing myself to be 40 minutes or 45 minutes to coming back again to remove my clothes. So after you put inside the machine, you select all the the drying mode that you want and the timing, and then just press the start button. Okay, and then you can go back to the cabin and then watching movie or do something while you're waiting for 40 minutes. So make sure all clothes is dry. So you just remove it from the drying machine. If you have any items or shirt or pants that you want to press it, we have an iron board here available as well in the laundry room. So there's free of charge. Again, all the machine, all everything is free of charge for the crew. And then you just do it manually one by one. And then the question is, how about the uniform? Are you washing your own uniform? Well, some crew members choose to wash their own uniform, and other crew members also they can bring it down to the main laundry and process it downstairs in the main laundry. So for uniform, they can drop it down in the laundry and pick up the next day. That's how we do it here on board the cruise ship. So now my laundry is done. So now my time to get rest and back to work later. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you don't subscribe this channel yet, you can subscribe. Please subscribe, which is free, and support my channel. And if you have any question, you can add in the comment section below everything about the cruise ship life. All right. So again, thank you so much, and I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao, ciao, and goodbye.